case I don't actually get things. It's pink! Pinkity pink! Yes, pink. How cute. It's pink! Oh my god! How cute. Okay, we got the strings. It's pink! Cute! Let's look at these first. Cancer. Oh, it's a cake. Don't know which way it is, but yes. Happy birthday. Always with NG. And then we have phootcard. The first one. So cute. Pink. That's the back. Cute. This one. Wow, cute. Cute. With this signature. Cake. How cute. Then a little message. Okay. We're gonna open the bracelet. It's pink. I love pink. The photo card. So beautiful. It's pink. The box. The beautiful box. It's an aqua color. It's so pretty. This is Cancer. Then we have the little charm. This is sunoo. And then what does the back say? No way. Happiness. Cute. And then the other end. He's got a star. Could see the star. The star. Yes.